Welcome back. Today we will be discussing Mahatma Gandhi's economic thought is a part of syllabus for 3rd BA Economic Thought in Economics prescribed for 5th semester by Mangalore University. Let us discuss Mahatma Gandhi's ideas on bread labor, population and prohibition. In the previous session, we have already discussed Mahatma Gandhi's ideas on Sarvodaya and doctrine of trusteeship. The objective of this session is to know about Gandhi's views on bread labor, population and prohibition. This session helps the student to understand Gandhian concept of bread labor, population and prohibition. In the introduction of Gandhi's ideas, Gandhiji expressed the idea that every man must earn his daily bread by his own labor. Gandhiji was convinced that the food problem of India was a genuine problem. Gandhiji favored the natural way of controlling population through self-control. Let us discuss Gandhiji's idea on bread labor. The law of bread labor was popularized by Ruskin and Tolstoy. To Gandhiji, the law of bread labor related to agriculture. But as everybody was not a cultivator, he could earn his bread by doing some other work. If all the people labored for their bread, there would be enough food and clothing for all. People would be healthier and happier, and there would be no problem of food shortage, no disease, and no misery by which the world was surrounded. Gandhiji pointed out that bread labor was one of so many sacrifices and was intended to minimize human wants. Gandhiji strongly believed that without physical labor, no one was entitled to get his food. He advised the rich also to do bodily labor for the bread. According to Gandhiji, intellectual labor is meant for the satisfaction of the soul. Bread labor or physical labor supplies human requirements. Let us discuss Gandhiji's ideas on population. The most important problem which attached the attention of Gandhiji was the rapid increase in population. Gandhiji realized the necessity of birth control not through the use of artificial methods, but through the self-control as brahmacharya. As Gandhiji thought that the artificial methods of birth control was harmful, he laid emphasis on sex education. Gandhiji suggested the following steps to control the population. The first one, the necessity of birth control not through the use of artificial method but through the self-control. Next one, he laid importance of sex education to control the desire. Next, by proper land system, better agriculture and a supplementary industries, the country is capable of supporting large population. Let us discuss Gandhiji's idea on prohibition. Gandhiji did not regard coffee and tea necessities of life. They, along with tobacco and alcohol, are injurious to health. Gandhiji argued that moral loss was even greater than the financial loss, because the drunkard forgot the distinction between wife, mother, and sister and indulged in crimes. Though Gandhiji did not object to use of liquor as medical necessity. According to Gandhiji, the use of coffee, tea, tobacco and alcohol are detrimental to the mental, physical and moral development of an individual. In his opinion, the use of liquor was a disease rather than a vice. He suggested the following steps in order to make the reform successful. First one, a requisite law should be passed. Next one, public opinion should be educated. Thirdly, refreshment rooms should be opened for selling harmless drinks. Next, the income accruing from the sale of intoxicants should be spent on cultivating public opinion in favor of prohibition. The referred books are the same: H.L. Bhatia, B.N. Ganguly and P.R.R. Paul. Here are few multiple choice questions for your knowledge. In each question having the 4 choices, you have to choose the correct one. So first question, which institution did Gandhiji join as a member during his stay in England? There are 4 choices. A vegetarian society. B, cricket club. C, Church of England. D, use of vegetable. The correct answer will be a vegetarian society. Question number 2. What were the vows taken by Gandhiji before the left to England? So again there is 4 choices. A, not to take alcohol. B, not to eat meat. C, not to eye other women. D, all the above. The correct answer will be all the above. Question number 3. Who inspired Gandhiji with Ram Nam in his childhood? Again, there are 4 choices will be there. A, Kasturba. B, Putlibai. C, Rambhadai. D, Lakshmidas. The correct answer will be Rambhadai. She is a servant. 4th one. When did Gandhiji take vow of Brahmacharya or celibacy of life? Again there is a 4 choices. A, 1911. B, 1906. C, 1905 and D, 1900. The correct answer will be B, 1906. Last one. According to Gandhiji, nothing exists in reality except, again there is a 4 choices. A, love. B, goodness. C, beauty and D, truth. The correct answer will be D, truth. Thank you.